Right, welcome to this week's Unikernel application spotlight. This week we're looking at AntJS. AntJS is a JavaScript runtime that carries more than it weighs. Um, so yeah, this is a new JavaScript runtime, and it's I guess it's focused on kind of smaller, um, you know, uh, kind of more like runtime. More edge workloads. I know words are hard sometimes, but can run JavaScript, TypeScript. What's different about this one versus many of the other runtimes that exist is that they chose to make a JavaScript engine, you know, uh, that was brand new. So it's not using V8. It's not using SpiderMonkey or anything. So that's pretty different. And then, you know, they've got some performance benchmarking and so forth, but it's kind of what you would expect. There's they have a new JavaScript package ecosystem, so you can use npm, but you can also use this Antland. So you know, obviously it looks very similar to npm, but I haven't really dived into what all is actually available here outside of npm. But yeah, you can kind of see what everything works with: bun and ant and dino and node. So yeah, it's interesting that they have the ecosystem there. The GitHub is here. It's got 900 some odd stars. I think they were on HN last week or so. But yeah, this is where they can kind of compare binary size, cold start, the engine, all that good stuff. They do have quite a few examples here, including FFI. So you know, with FFI, that means you can basically call out to whatever the hell you want, meaning you don't really need a strong standard lib. I mean, standard lib's great, but if you've got FFI, then you can do whatever the hell you want, right? So that's great to see. They have a crap. I must have. They have a pretty big examples directory here, so plenty of other stuff here too. What else was I gonna pop into there for? I can't remember what I wanted to actually show in this. But anyways, the best example is a real life one. So let's get into that. So we've got, and let's go ahead and check out how we run this thing. So we're gonna do package load, and for the first one, we'll just do this hi.js, right? Boots up, says hi, because that's exactly what you would expect from a console log test. Now, if we want to try like a server, something that would be persistent, something that you would deploy maybe to the cloud or whatever, we'll do this guy. So boots up, and we're gonna go ahead and hit it. Now this is using their example, their Hono example as well. So 80, about 3,000. There we go. So that works, right? And then, you know, this is ripped straight from their example page. So it's using Hono. We register our route, says hello from Ant, yada yada. Node modules for that, and then you know, all the usual suspects. In fact, we'll just look at I can't type or talk today. So cat config. So we put in our server.js. We're also passing it to args, and then we're including our node modules. Really basic. Let's go ahead and look at the package itself. Ant. So it's AntJS, but the binary is Ant. And I realized that when I made this package, that I kind of screwed that up. I should have probably called it like AntJS. I usually name packages after whatever the main binary is, and anyways, somebody else can look into fixing that. But our package manifest is really basic. there's this directory looks pretty straightforward at first, although we have this .ant hidden folder in here. And so I don't know what all was necessary to put into this. I just stuffed it all in there because I just wasn't sure. I think it's just this cache though. So there's you know, all this stuff that I guess is all from Hono is what I presume it is. But I don't really know. But yeah, that's the only other thing in there. And you know, maybe that should be clean without the Hono reference, but again, that's an exercise for somebody else. They advertise 9 meg binary. The one that I got was about 12 meg, which is fine. That's not a huge difference. It's still pretty damn small, right? And this is written in C. So we can check out some of the source, you know. So as you can see, it's all good old C. So very readable in that sense. Yeah, when I saw them advertising the no 50 meg download, no tool chain, you know, kind of edge situated workloads, that's when I thought that this might be a good pairing to deploy as an Nanos Unikernel. But we'll see what you guys think. Check it out, run it, ship it to Amazon, Google, wherever you host, and we'll catch you guys next week. All right, bye.